Sarah Hatch here with Hatch Property Management and Sales, and I wanted to let you know that as a tenant of ours, you are enrolled in our resident benefit package. That benefit package allows you to get air filters delivered to your home per your lease agreement. In Virginia, that is every other month, so that you're gonna get a filter. It's gonna look like this. It's going to come in a box. Now this is a very small box. The size of this filter is 25 by 20 by 1, and you would never know that, right? Because it's all folded up in this nice small box. Now this is gonna come either directed to you as the tenant in your name, or it's going to be directed to current resident. So it's going to say either your name or a current resident, and there's going to be a nice little label on here from courtesy of Hatch Property Management and Sales and Second Nature. So I wanted to let you know that this comes in an odd-shaped box also. So when you open it, you just lift this flap right here and you pull out your air filter just like this. And it has a little band around it that you will remove, and it pops into place. So this little air filter becomes huge just by opening it up. So what you do is you just go like that and it pops into place. And here you have your full-size air filter ready to go in your machine. And where you put it is right in here. You pull out your old one and you put in your new one. Thanks for watching.